And would you set this up for me, please? So on the left side we have
2x
plus
3.
3.
Now I'm going to double it.
Yeah, double it.
So it's told me to do plus 3.
Okay, so that's one side of the equation, and on the other side you have what?
X plus 9.
Okay, now that you have set it up,
I can do
you do legal moves, okay. 1x from each side.
And now I'm going to take 6 values.
6 value from each side.
Whoop.
Okay, now how much is each x?
1.
1. Okay, so now we clear the board. We set it up again to do the check. So we have twice x plus 3 doubled. And on the other side we have x plus 9. Okay, and if x is 1, how much is the left side?
10.
Okay. And the right side?
10.
10. Okay, Karen, very good.